Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to do a quick flip through or unboxing of the Hip Kit Club for January 2022. Now the kit arrives in a flat squared box with this lovely tissue paper and the sticker on it. I just managed to slip it out without it. And it is in a big plastic like Ziploc bag. I haven't been a member of the Hip Kit Club. It seems like probably years. Definitely before Valentina. So it's been about 4 years. And when I was a member, I've loved kit clubs. Let me just also say that, because especially for newbies, it's a great way to get a collection that all works together, that you don't have to have like 22 different supplies because all of these things will complement each other. So I always recommend a monthly subscription to newbies to get started. Back then, the kits used to be a culmination of like of the designers like that work together, but it wasn't just straight collections. So for instance, what I mean by that is that if Maggie Holmes came out with a new set, but also Paige Evans and Amy Tan and a Heidi Swap or something, they would pull like 3 or 4 pieces of the paper that all worked together and complemented each other. So you didn't just get like the entire Maggie Holmes collection. There's nothing wrong with getting the whole Maggie Holmes collection, but it was a unique way to see how you can have like all of the pink tones and something that work together from different brands. But now, in my experience already, Kim Watson is the lead designer at the Hip Kit, and all of these are Hip Kit exclusive products. So everything is, you can see down here, Hip Kit exclusive, meaning that she designs them all, and this is her kaleidoscope collection. And everything here too, because usually you would get like thickers from American Crafts and everything, but everything seems to be, and this is thickers, but they're like puffy stickers, these are puffy stickers, are all from her label. So they're all Hip Kit. So this is an exclusive kit to her, just like Felicity Jane. So I was going to do Felicity Jane too, just to like a little FYI. So what I'm thinking of doing is that if I get back into classic scrapbooking, but I probably won't do always 12 by 12, I'll use it in Project Life, I'll use it in my Heidi Swap chapters and inserts and travelers albums. So still shrinking down the scale of what I use. What I'm thinking is using, because you have to commit for 3 months. Do Hip Kit Club for January, February, and March, and then try out Felicity Jane for April, May, and June, and then just see at that point if maybe I'll do Citrus Twist for 3 months or so, things like that. So that is like the game plan for introducing new products to my collection. I am still subscribed to the Ali Edwards story kits, which like last month was, and I have to work on it, was the story kit Glow. And so I have these pieces here to work with, and then you get cards and some, you know, this is the whole like collection. So I am still subscribed to this one too, but I'll be honest, so far in subscribing to the Ali Edwards, I haven't used that much of the product yet. So I have to start getting better at that. So that's another thing I want to include on my channel, is using the Ali Edwards Stories by the Month or Story Kit Club, and then some scrapbooking kits. So let's just show you what this collection's about. So kaleidoscope, this is just cardstock fringe. And so I thought this was like to make like the like flowers that you roll and stuff, but it is just straight like almost like a watercolory like alcohol ink, and they're already cut to have the little fringy look. So that's awesome that they've already done the work in case you don't have like a silhouette or a Cricut to make these yourself. I think it's a really great inclusion for this kit, because like I said, even for some of those flowers, we're really just twisting these things over and then, you know, like fringing it out in the direction that you want. So I love that. There is a whole bit of package of cardstock die cuts, and this is the pieces that you get. So really cute. So some text words. So exciting. Hello 2022. Good vibes. Hooray. Fresh start. And then you got some icons like this: flower, stars, birds, little hearts, these little teacups and stuff. So, and why I picked this one over the Felicity Jane right now is because I love the colors of this. This is like rainbow explosion. Love it. These are faux wood chipboard shapes, so they look like wood veneer, but they're not. And let me just feel them. They're probably like a puffy sticker consistency. Let me just see. Or are they cardstock? Now they're cardstock, so they're a little bit like a dried paper on top, but they look like wood veneer. Love that. These are the puffy sticker alphabet. So these actually, Maggie Holmes did a set like this once. Let me show you, because I still have all my things here. Look at, see, very similar. This is thicker, so that's what I mean. Like thickers used to be included, but it's just very similar. This one's a little bit of a creamy offset. This one's definitely white, so I love that. And then these puffy stickers as well. They're called chipboard stickers, but they, oh yeah, they are chipboard. And again, the colors are so great. This kind of reminds me of a little bit of a like Amy Tangerine / Paige Evans vibe. Love. So excited, you guys. And then the whole collection is here, and they are double-sided, so I'll go through them. This one's called Dream, with this like creamsicle coloring, and then this like black and white, just classic like repeating pattern. This one's called Delightful, and it's like a swirly, it looks like it's textured, but it's not. It's like a canvas, but love that. And then this backside of Mint with a repeating pattern on it, tone on tone. This one's called Resolution, great floral. I feel like I want to fussy cut all of those out. And then this great black and white repeating pattern. This one's called Spectacular, very geometric, random rainbow pastel-y. And then this nice ombre stripe look. This one's called Captivating, like some diamonds. And then like a nice repeating purple on purple tone. This one's called Expectation. Love this. Gonna be hard to use, but I love this. Even if you just put like a picture in the center somehow, I can definitely just use that and do nothing else. And then this blue hexagon kind of tone on tone one. This one's called Imagine. Great colors. This one almost reminds me of like a Color Story Vicky Bouton kind of look. And then this white with a like a yellow geometric pattern on top. This one's called Incredible, all the rainbows. Love that. And then this blue circular pattern with a tone-on-tone like dot circle pattern. This one's called Intrigue. Very geometric, very like 70s vibe. And then a white with a purple geometric shape. And then last is Sensational. This wonky circle pattern on white. And then this kind of chartreuse repeating pattern tone on tone. So those are the papers, the chipboard stickers, puffy alpha stickers, the faux wood veneer, the pack of die cuts, and then these fringy elements. Love it. Let me know if you appreciate an unboxing of what the Hip Kit Club looks like. I can do it again for February. I just thought I would show you some products that I'm going to be using in upcoming layouts and for you to get a feel on what you can incorporate without going crazy buying so many things. Like a kit is a good place to be to get you started. Please subscribe if you haven't done so and give this video a thumbs up. Till next time, my subbies. Bye.